Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Sunday morning, right? Cold in the morning these days in my neck of the woods. Let me just get my YouTube channel set up. Bitcoin has turned into a 12-hour buy, and I'm still going to really wait for the daily before I go announcing it in my 2,200 emails out to everybody. I should be on later this evening also. Uh-oh, that is not what we wanted. There we go. Okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning to everybody. Stream location. It's so funny. I can stream this from anywhere in the world. People think they know where we're at. No, you don't. Dumbasses. Okay, where are we at? Yep. We are live on TikTok. Yep. We are live on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning to everybody on YouTube. We'll be talking about Bitcoin today, specifically that there is not a cap of 21 million Bitcoin. That is the silliest thing I ever heard. Nothing against Bitcoin per se, but if one of the reasons why you're buying Bitcoin is because there's a cap, yeah, unless you consider 21 quadrillion a cap, there really isn't a cap. Good morning, Mr. C on TikTok. Oh, we got people. Sorry. Oh. Good morning. Oh, Mr. C's on both. Good morning, Mr. C on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning, Tracy Ann Davis. How's your weekend? I've been doing good. Me and Bree been hanging out, just chilling. We went and visited her mom the other day, and then other than that, ordered some DoorDash a couple times. Just been hanging out. Here it's been kind of cold and rainy. How about you, Miss C? How you been doing? Good morning, Goroff. Good morning, Bullish Bulge. Oh, jeez, I swear to God. Maybe I'll just call him BB. Good morning, Sog. Good morning, Jan. Why you think this? Grand Rising. I got to start probably talking more like Sanique. Good morning, Sanique Morgan. Grand Rising to you, and God bless each and every one of you listening. Thank you, God, for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual closeness with you. Thank you for another day of, and then I usually just fill in a whole bunch of thank yous. Ask your healing blessing upon each and every one of us listening. Of course, especially my beautiful wife, Bree, my 2 children, Keith, my brother, and I list my whole family. And when I remember, most days I thank you all and pray for you all also. So, right, one of the things I do is start my morning off with a prayer. Morning, Solace Soul. Yeah, don't post again in here, Jonah H, about that, or you'll have to be kicked out. Good morning, True Pixel. All right. Gonna be a boom thing. Da 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 do thing. 411. Nice. All good. I'm busy building Star Wars with my Legos. I remember those days. One time, I just cherish that memory, lock it in, and make that one of your forever memories, Mr. C. I remember building, playing Legos and Tea Party with my children, and Legos and hard plastic friends. And we once built a Lego tower to a 10-foot ceiling in our basement out of Legos. And it actually stood and made it. That's crazy. 10-foot fucking tower out of Legos. Anyhow, it touched from the floor to the ceiling. Anyway, I loved that time of my life raising my children. I can't sit here and complain, even though I had some issues growing up. As a child, I had a fantastic childhood. I can't complain when I had raising my two children. It was time of my life. Even though there was a few issues when I was raising my children towards the end, for instance, when they were older. I went from being a millionaire to being filing for bankruptcy. They're turning around 15, 16, 17, somewhere around there. And then I still had one of the happiest time of my life was raising my two children. And then, of course, my time with my beautiful wife, Bree, the last 6 years has been the best time of my life. So, no complaints. If something happens, I'm not going to whine about it. I hope I have another 30, 40 years with Bree, but, just had a fantastic, those children's memories. I can name so many for you guys. It's just exceptional. But anyhow, rise and shine, Rich Rishing, Melina Hawthorne Bliss. Good morning, Melina. Oh, Miss C said, wow. Yeah. Yeah, it was impressive. I was very, very happy. We had so many Legos. Oh, God. Should I tell you this? Sure, why not? We had a nice house, very nice house at the time, extremely nice house at the time. Yeah, it was in a small town in Georgia, and we would have we'd have a Christmas tree upstairs and a Christmas tree downstairs. And I'm talking my children were like, 4, 5, 6 years old, 7, 8 years old, 9, 10 years old, and so on. We would have and this sounds terrible. I know how it sounds, but I just love my children more than anything on earth. And of course, my wife, Bree, bet more than anything on earth at this moment in time. That was one of my mistakes of my first marriage is I put my children first. That wasn't good. Don't do that. But I did. But now I've learned, and I put Bree first, and obviously. But at any rate, long story short is we had so many presents in like the upstairs, under the upstairs. Well, it wasn't underneath the trees. It was stacked up so high that they got tired of opening presents, and then they would get tired. They'd have to rest and play with a few of their toys, and then they would go downstairs and open up the rest of their presents, which were also that many or more. So yeah, my kids had a probably extremely too good of a childhood growing up. And then we traveled, we went places. Oh my God. We went to we went to Disney probably 2, 3 times a year for weeks at a time. We opened up Portofino Bay. I don't know if you guys ever been to Disney in Florida, Kissimmee, Orlando. At any rate, but Portofino Bay was a huge, big deal back then. They had MTV there. Michael Jordan and Larry Bird were there. They actually closed down Islands of Adventure for them one evening. They were staying at the same hotel. It's called Portofino Bay. Yeah, we opened that up. We stayed there. Most people stay there 2, 3 days or whatever. We stayed there 2 weeks and had the time of our lives. Oh my goodness. It was just amazing at that time. I think now it's a little dirtier and not as clean and stuff, but at the time it was just an amazing resort. So anywho, just good times. Rich Rising. Oh, okay. I get it, Melina. Sorry. Good morning, Thomas Crowell. Good morning, Solace Soul, Mr. C. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Yeah, so some of you think that there is a limit on Bitcoin. And let's be as clear as we can, shall we? Bitcoin is not limited to 21 million people here. So if you're going to buy it, buy Bitcoin. That's fine. But the facts are Bitcoin is not limited. Aw, that's terrible, Jan. I'm so sorry. My cleaning lady, 985. Aw, yeah, that's terrible. Glad the cleaning lady was okay, and it was no, you didn't mean anything by that. Bitcoin. Let me get this correct, so that y'all are understanding what's happening with Bitcoin. Just do what you want, think what you want. It's no big deal. Bitcoin is limited to 21 quadrillion Satoshis. Just so we're clear. I don't care. Buy Bitcoin. Just understand the smallest at this time, they can make it change, by the way. They can make it actually more than this. The smallest divisible unit of Bitcoin is called a Satoshi. One hundredth, whatever the hell this number is. Some smart guy on one of the TikToks I commented. Bitcoin. And if you times that by the 21 million, that's how you come up with it. Kevin Nochez, have you read? I don't know what you're talking about, Kevin. Obviously, whatever you're trying to type has been blocked, thank God, by TikTok. Good morning, Glow. What's up, Glow? So if you think that Bitcoin is valuable, how do I word this to you guys? The only reason why Bitcoin has value is because we all agree that it has value. It's not because there's a limited supply, unless you consider 21 quadrillion Satoshis a limited supply. It's the same with money. Correct. I'm not saying it's not. The only reason why the United States of America's dollar has any value, even though it really doesn't, used to be valued according to the gold standard. 1972, I think it was, when it was 72 or 78, whenever the hell it was, they did away with the gold standard. There is no value. There is no value of gold, by the way, but it's a shiny little object, little metal. Yeah, I'm not trying to defend the fiat currency. The fiat currency is probably just as worthless as Bitcoin. And none of you know about the tulips in the 60s, I believe it was, where they used to value the special tulip. Come on, some of you have to have went to college and spent some time in finance. Yeah, I consider Bitcoin a tulip. If you don't know what that means, Google the great tulip scam of the 1960s or whatever it was. Yeah, and our fiat currency, a bunch of just dead, deceased notables on the American currency is valued only because America has two aces in its hole. It has the most mighty military in the history of the world, right? And we can enforce anything we want, and no other country can do anything against it. And the other thing is Americans spend more than any other countries in the world. We save nothing. So our fiat currency in America will never be taken over by BRICS, will never be taken over by, name anything. It's until we don't spend anymore, which is never going to happen. We're addicted to spending, or until our military falls, which is never going to happen in our lifetimes. I mean, maybe, I guess, whatever, but no. So until those two things happen, and we say that our dollar has value, then our dollar has value. Unless the government comes out and says Bitcoin sucks and it's all a scam, it'll have value because we all believe it has value. Same for gold. Gold, I can go back to, what was it, 1935 or something now, and show my buy stops working at 1935 on gold, and gold was at $20, $30 an ounce. And now it's at $2,000, $2,700 an ounce. Are you kidding me? Gold has no value, but since the 19, whatever the hell that chart goes back to, it has value for the last several hundred years because we consider gold the shiny, pretty little metal. And that's why. The Dutch tulips. Yeah, Jane, I think that's it. Yeah, Bitcoin is going to hit 100,000. I'll show you where Bitcoin. Matter of fact, I have a call out right here. 12 hours buy stop Bitcoin 1124 to over 100,000. Yeah. Okay. So sevens or yeses, if you guys understand that Bitcoin is not limited to 21 million. It's limited to 21 quadrillion Satoshis. And by the way, they can adjust that if they want to even smaller amounts. So in reality, there is no limit to Bitcoin. If you like it and it's the new latest little shiny tulips, then yeah, sure. There you go. That's great. Buy it. Don't repeat your questions, Jay. I've already told you that Bitcoin's going to 100,000. Just sit back and chill. Good morning, Dog 2003. Melina Hawthorne Bliss. Awesome. So she said yes, it's all I need. And Dog said yes, and Glow said yes. All right. So again, Bitcoin, where's it going to? Well, I've been telling this to you since back here. Let's go to Bitcoin, shall we? I've been calling correctly Bitcoin. For those of you new to the channel, I've been calling Bitcoin correctly since 3/8, when I called it for 26,500 to go over 70,000. This is where my call out was, right here. You can go over here and watch this live video of me on the live video. So if you go to 3/8, search 3 on YouTube, search 3/8/23 and type in the safety trade, you'll come up with a video. My first monthly call over 70,000, and it will tell you and show you this is where I called it and said it. Then this is me typing out a 9/8. This was a live video of me typing out a 9/8 that Bitcoin at 56,000 was going to go up over 70 again, then 80, then 90. Then I said it would go between 98 and 102. I said, oh, fuck it. We'll just call it 100,000. Currently, you're looking at a 12-hour buy stop on Bitcoin, a daily buy stop on Bitcoin. This is where I want to see happen before. Once this occurs, I can tell you instantaneously when this is going to go back up to over 100,000. But we have to wait for my sniper pink line to come back down and reset right here. And these things to fill in the gap right there. We need Bitcoin to kind of go sideways and down a little bit until it hits my orange line again. And then when it does, it's going to shoot up and it's going to go way past 100,000. Right now, I'm calling it a 12-hour buy. See the 7-hour, 12-hour buy right here? But I prefer it to keep going down on the 12-hour and form a daily buy. But yeah, Bitcoin's going to come down right where it is, probably a little lower than this right here. The pink line on the 12-hour is going to come down. So another 12, 24, 36, somewhere in that range. you're going to see it touch the line right here. The next 12 to 36 hours, it's going to hook, come right back up. It's going to go blow past the $100,000. So I would say within the next, especially if we have to wait for my pink to fall over here. How many days? How many days? Let's see. If I had to give you a number of days, we're still up here. Let me see. Give you more accurate number here. I would prefer it to come down and touch this orange line, and it will. So somewhere in the neighborhood of 3 to 6 days. And then I'll tell you more as each day goes. As soon as I see this come down a little bit closer to the orange line, or better yet, touch it. So I would say if it happens sooner, great. But I would say within 3 to 6 days, you'll see Bitcoin shoot up over the 100,000. I do believe you're going to see a little fallback first. I hope it goes down to 95,000, 94,000. Yeah, somewhere around there. And when we see it come back down on the orange line, you're going to see my pink line on the sniper fall. You're going to see the greens come down below, and then we're going to see it shoot back up again. Now, if it goes up before then, oh, woe is us. We'll be already in the money. We've been holding Bitcoin. One of my members, Robel's wife, has bought it into 20,000s, and now she's holding it. She made over $70,000 since 3/8/23. That's more than most all of you make in a year and a half. I'm not kidding. The average American's like 35,000 a year. She made more than someone working full time on one coin. Yes, still believe Trojan horse. Yeah, could be. Good morning, Anthony Villalobos. Good morning, Tony. So, that's my Bitcoin analysis. I'm officially calling for Bitcoin be a 12-hour buy stop, and I'm probably going to change that into a daily buy stop now. I'm calling it to go over 100,000 within the 3 to 6 next days. If you're trying to be very specific, I do believe you're going to see just a little bit more of a dip right here. I think you're going to see it go to about 90. Love for it to go down to 94, 93. That'd be instantaneous. Hell, I might get back into it again if it does that. But anywho, buy stop Bitcoin at this time. Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit more. 97,525, 97,701, 97,700. Just put your buy stop between here and the 100,000 mark, and then just patiently wait. You can move it down. Rule number 7, just move it down as it goes down, and then it will flip and turn and come back up for you.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Hoping that answers your question, Jay. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning, Jared. There you go. Yeah, once this thing hooks down on the 12 hour, we come down here, or better yet, we can get this hook down. I don't know, maybe. We can get this hook down to here on our daily. Boy, we're going to be, I will almost certainly get back into Bitcoin again. I'll do another buy-in if it gets down there again. So that's Bitcoin. XRP, which I think has way more up potential, not just simply from the fact of price where it's at. You're welcome, Jay. And good morning to you again. Good morning, Priscilla Surgeon. Now, XRP. XRP. Looks to me we're playing inside of a weekly candle. And it sure looks to me like that weekly candle is green and it's going up. So what does that mean? If you go over here on XRP and you come over to this particular indicator. This is my sniper right down here. Last time it was down this low, it went from whatever the heck this is down here, 19 cents. I bought in at 31 cents. So 31 cents. And it went all the way up to $1.98. We haven't even began to go up yet. This is insanity. So somewhere around 3 months, around January 25th, and then April 25th, you will see XRP. I'm thinking way before then, I'm just giving you a longer term, above $1.97. So let me be clear on this. This is psychotically good news. I would play any buy stop I could find on XRP. I would do any of them, especially 3-minute, 5-minute, especially 30-minute. I've shown you over and over again. I would play any buy stop you can find on XRP for the next, let me be clear on here, for the next 6 months minimum. The last time it was down here, it took 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. We're on 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. Until April 1st. Hey, April Fool's Day, isn't that ironic? Until April, I would literally tell you, play any buy stop on XRP until this. Let me show you exactly. I'll draw it out for you. Some of you are hearing impaired and don't listen to what I say. So I'll draw this out for you until this pink line comes up here over the next 6 months. And I believe this time it isn't going to just come close. It's going to touch it. See, this time right here, it only came close. So what you're seeing is the touch right here. Then it came down. Then it came up. Then it came down. And now it's going to come up again. This is called a double bottom, a W. Also, you're going to see these green histogram bars come in, close this space right here, this gap. So you're going to see price come up until this happens. Then you're looking at what's called a, see this right here? Come down, come up, come down. And it always clears its center line. So you're going to see XRP go up above $2 right here. You're going to see this fill in. This is an upward sloping W, this is called. And this is going to go. Now, I can tell you how high it'll go after it gets to its 50% point in the next 3 to 6 months. It's going to go up above, in my opinion, $3.35 and $5. It may not. We'll see how high, but it's the way this is rocketing up when it just touched right down here. And I told you for 3 years to do the buy stop on this particular symbol. And this has a shit ton for the next 6 months, 3 to 6 months. I say it's got to be 6 though. Take any buy stop you can on XRP. Just remember this. Just like I told you about Bitcoin, and it turned out to be 100% correct. I think this is, you can go from where we at, $1.30 something, whatever the fuck it is, $1.40, $1.30. You'll see it go over $2, $1.95 to be exact. Once you see that, then we just have to see where our pink line is on our sniper. Okay. So we all clear on Bitcoin, where it's going, and on XRP, where it's at and where it's going. XRP will be over $1.97. I'll just say $2 in 3 months, 3 to 6 months. It most likely will be over $3.50 or whatever it is in 3 to 6 months. I can tell you that more for sure. I personally can see XRP going to $5 plus. But that's just my opinion. The analysis shows over $1.96 or whatever. That's where it's heading. So we're clear? Cool. Good morning, Priscilla. Nice, easy call outs. Perfect call outs. Easiest money ever made was from 48 cents where I called it. 54 cents where officially we called it on XRP right here. I got to go. I'll be right back in just a minute. I'll be right back. It won't even take but a minute. Okay, I'm back. I might have to go another 2 times, but I'll be right back when I do. It won't be long. Good morning. Back again. Wow, that was early. Good for them. Does anybody have any questions? Over the price action? Anyone catch anyone catch that funded trader version? Yeah, that up all day yesterday. All exciting stuff. Oh, there we go. Nice. Walmart coming through in the clutch. Damn. When you need something, Amazon is great, but we don't live close. It usually takes 2 or 3 days to get something from Amazon. So I've learned that you can do the Walmart delivery and they'll deliver things faster than Instacart or DoorDash. Walmart delivers very, very fast when they have the items in stock. They deliver that stuff fast. Just a heads up in case some of you have trouble and need seeing certain things faster than others. Oh, shoot, fire. We have another alarm going off. There we go. All right. So we have plenty of upside potential. A matter of fact, my own wife, beautiful Bree, she went ahead and bought some more XRP. Yesterday it was. Personally, I'm going to wait for XRP to dip a little bit more down to here on the daily. We're going to see the blue go across. We're going to see this pull back. I'd love to see XRP back down here. And that's when I'll enter it again. I've been buying XRP since 31 cents. And I'd like to see it go back to about $1 if we can get it to $1.18, $1.13, $1.20. I mean, you're splitting hairs. I mean, buying in at $1.30, $1.40, $1.50, there's nothing wrong with that. $1.18, demo money only. But yeah, I'd love it to go back down here to $1.18. If we can get that, shoo boy, we are going in heavy. I'll tell you that. Good morning, Martin. All right. So does anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions over anything? We've called out exactly where XRP is going, and it's going to go past. We called out Bitcoin going over 100,000, how many days that's going to take. It may take longer. Yeah, it may take longer. But we'll just hang in there until then. And again, it hit 99,000, like 400 something. I think that's close enough to 100,000. I'm going to go ahead and take that one as a good call. Ethereum. Again, huge look. This is huge. This is a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. Ethereum over the next 3 weeks, 6 weeks, 9 weeks. So I would say over the next 3 to 12 weeks, you'll see Ethereum go up past 3,405. You'll see Ethereum go past 3,709. Truly, I believe you'll see the Ethereum go past 4,000. And personally, I think you're going to see Ethereum go past 4,500. But again, I'll know more on Ethereum, just like Bitcoin and XRP. Once my sniper shows it goes up, crossed by the pink, and if it's about 40% and we're over these ones right here, this fill in the gap will occur over the next 3 to 6 weeks. When this goes up over that, then I'll know more. If it goes over that and it's at like 20%, fuck. Ethereum might go way up through the roof, but I'll know as it goes. I'll call it as it goes. But the next stop for Ethereum is going to be over 3,400, over 3,500, over 3,600, over 3,700. Yeah, then you'll see this gap fill right here. Okay, so that's Ethereum. Ethereum where it currently is at. Ethereum where I called the buy stop back here on 625 over and over again, 624, 625. I was calling for a buy stop somewhere in the range of 2,300. And of course, now you're up over 3,300. You made $1,000 a coin from my last buy stop call. And let me be clear on this. On Bitcoin, my first call was 26,000 to go over 70,000, 26,500 to go over 70. And now Bitcoin is basically hit. You're up about $73,500 from my first call. My second call on Bitcoin live day. And by the way, this is on 3/8/23. I've been calling for a buy stop on Bitcoin for the last 500 days. On live on YouTube, 500. So if you go to my YouTube channel, let me be clear. You go to my YouTube channel, there's 800 videos. Whenever I'm making any call outs in those 800 videos, I'm calling out Bitcoin as a buy 800 times. I'm calling out Ethereum a buy 800 times. I'm calling out, and I'm telling you, I have another 1,200 videos in my back office I don't even have listed. Over 2,000 times I've called out over the last year and a half. Buy stop Bitcoin, buy stop XRP, and buy stop Ethereum. So don't give me no shit. The system works flawlessly on cryptos. So good, I'm going to make my own Safe to Trade version crypto edition coming out. And that's probably going to be released in January, actually. The funded trader, I have to do so much work on that fucking funded trader thing. It's a joke. So it's going to be, there's so many stupid rules with funded trading, just stupid rules with funded trading. But I'll get it all down and I'll get it all perfected and I'll get you all funded up, whoever wants to be funded. And you ain't going to have to wait a month or 6 months. You'll be able to get funded in a week or 3 days or whatever they force you to do. I don't even know what they are. I don't care. The system works flawlessly. At most, you'll be trading off a 5-minute line. Most of your trades will be off 10 second, 15 second, 30 seconds. There'll be little to no drawdown. My understanding has to be $250, $250 pips. What the fuck? Is it $250? Is it 250 pips? Whatever the rules are, I don't know. I'll figure it all out and get you guys that. J at J, not sure if you've seen this. No, see, this is the problem, what you're probably running into, Jay. You're getting blocked. If you're trying to post up something on TikTok, where did it go? You can't. It it blocks what you're trying to say. So whatever you think you're saying, it doesn't allow you to say it. So you're blocked. So what you have to do then is kind of like either write an email in or go to YouTube and try to write in it over there. But there's no, I can't, probably your messages you think you're seeing aren't posting on TikTok. I can't see them. Otherwise, I'd respond to them for you. All right. So we're all clear on Bitcoin. We're all clear on Ethereum. We're all clear on XPX. Does anybody have anything else they want me to look at? Any other crypto symbol, Cardano, Litecoin, anything? If you do, please speak up now.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Ask about any symbol you like. Feel free. Play any 30-minute buy stop on GBBJPY. I do have the call outs for, this is how easy it is to trade, by the way. We're looking at a clean sweep. So play any sell stop you can find on US 35-second NAS and SPX. And if you guys hadn't noticed, I'm going to switch gears now over to what we normally trade on a regular basis besides Bitcoin. Maybe SQ. Whoops. Well, any rate, play any sell stop you can find on the three indices, NAS, US 30, SPX. It'll flip first on the 5-second, then the 10-second, then the 15-second. Look for sells on these tonight. Tonight, I would say by 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow morning, you'll see these flip red. And these are nothing playing the blue line, 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second, NAS, US 30, SPX. Maybe SQ is something. What is SQ? I don't even know what that is. It's a beautiful thing about the system. You don't have to know shit about any symbols. What's SQ? I'm assuming she's not talking about Sequoia equipment. Yeah, SQQ is interesting. It's a monthly, 3-monthly buy stop. SQ is being called right now. So this is Square. It's a shame, but I really don't like Square at all, personally. Monthly, 3-monthly buy stop. It's actually a pretty strong one, too. Weekly, daily. It's got a hook and come back down again. Already hit its daily. Should have played. See the blue line? Doop, doop, doop. Daily blue line. Weekly. Yeah, it already went past the center point. No, it's a buy. Yeah, that's a strong buy. Monthly 3-month buy stop. SQ. Yeah, I'm good on it though. I'm not going to play anything with this, but it's not bad on those time frames. You'd have to fart around on those smaller time frames. I'm not doing that. I have no clue what it is. That's funny, Jan. All right. Cool. Where were we? Oh, yeah. Easiest trade coming up. Safest, easiest trade for you guys coming up right here. Use your scanner. On the scanner, you're going to see that it is actually, hold on, put it up there. It is actually US 30 NAS and SPX. You just wait for these to turn red. One of this will turn red, red, red. And evidently what we found out was what we're finding out, and I have a cool new thing coming on that, is you're going to see this, and then you can play this. Or you'll see this, and then you can play this one. Okay? So what does that mean? You wait until the 5 seconds turn. They all turn red. It goes down, they all turn red. Then you play after NAS and SPX hit its blue line, goes below it. Then you play the sell to the US 30 blue line on a 10-second. You can repeat this on the 15-second, 30-second. This is just, will not stay this. Let me be as clear as I can be. These things right in here, all of this that you see right in here to here, will not stay green for the next week. They will not stay green for the next 4 days. They will not stay green for the next 3 days. They will not stay green for the next, at most, 2. They might not flip Monday by 9:30, but they will absolutely turn red by Tuesday, period. This isn't an option. They can't keep this going up forever, even though it's a hard up. They can't do it. Won't do it. These will flip to red. So just play them when they do. This is called the overnight reversal trade. If you're not familiar with it, go to the YouTube channel, type in the overnight reversal trade. Let me see if it comes up. The overnight reversal trade, the safety trade. And if it doesn't, I'll rename it so it does. There it is. Right here. This is the one right here. The overnight reversal trade. Right there. 2 weeks ago, I went over it. The overnight return, what is it? Why does it work so well? This is the overnight reversal trade right here, what it looks like. Set up for it. And this is the easiest money, safest money next to the Holy Grail trade you'll ever get. And there it is. Here's another overnight must watch repeatedly. Okay, so this is the overnight reversal trade. 2 training videos. All of you here should be watching these videos until you 100% understand them. There you go. And it's all because of our free smart scanner, which will call out the trades for you when you see the ST comes up, safety trades up. It'll tell you which one to start to take. I have 3 what I'm doing. XLM is the exact same movement as, oh, by the way, I never taught you that. So one of the things you're going to notice is that we have a Safe Trade System Crypto Edition. The Safety Trade Crypto Edition is going to have this. Watch. It's going to have these symbols over here because they all trade as one. So it's going to be Bitcoin. Let me see something right here. This might get a little bit There we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. We're getting closer. You're going to have Bitcoin up here. You're going to have Ethereum here. And you're going to have XRP here. Why? Because they all trade the same, just exactly. Some take faster than others, but they trade the same as ours, US 30, NAS, and SPX. Bitcoin, Ethereum. So this new crypto edition of the Safe Trade system will have a built-in scanner, H&H scanner for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. They trade the same. It's going to have its own scanner. I think that's pretty cool. So while she's looking at XLM, if I pull up XLM and show Melina the chart, it's the same thing as XRP. Well, XRP does this and it's the coin, and then XLM is the platform, and that they're the same. Everyone can get upset and get argumentative, blah, blah, blah. On the higher time frames, they're exactly the same. Okay. Oh, well, but this went up so much, and this one went up over here so much on it. Oh, wait. And then it went up. Oh, wait. See what it did, Melina? This is XLM on your left. This is XRP on the right. These charts are identical. Well, no, this one went up more, and this one is, and this is, and oh, this is about to the top. This went over to its top. This is to the top. XRP has more upward movement. It hasn't moved yet. XLM is an excellent buy still. Look, each time one went up, here, here, and now here. You see here, here, and here. Well, that's fucking weird. Things that make you say, But there's no way that it could possibly be the same on, This would be bigger, but it's just so high up. Bitcoin's gone. You can't see it. Look. Watch. Oh, sorry. This is the problem. The dates, see right here. You got to keep them in the same date range. Let me pull this back over here. Can we do it this way? Right there. Right there. You know, I can't pull the same, but they are the same. The same movements up happen the same, regardless of whatever symbol you think you're trading. Regardless of it, you can see. I'll just move these. This moved up, same time. Oh, well, that can't be with other there's no way that's true with Cardano. See, same time, same thing. But that's not true with Litecoin, Bitcoin. Yeah, it is. They're always the same. Always the same. Again, there is no difference between NAS, SPX, and US 30. They all move the same. Here's fucking US 30. Here's fucking NAS. They're always the same. There is no difference. You go up to the 3 months, indistinguishable. Monthly, indistinguishable. There is no difference. This is NAS, this is SPX. See? The dips are the same, the highs are the same. Some people hate this when I do this. Well, they're different, and they're different because there's SPX. If you want two that are exactly the same, try looking at NAS and SPX. Ain't no motherfucking difference in this shit. None whatsoever. None. This is monthly. I could do weekly. Doesn't matter. No differences. Zero differences. You can see they're all low at the same time. Same patterns. There is no difference between NAS and SPX, and there's sure as fuck no difference between NAS, SPX, and US30. Just like there's really no difference. Oh, but Bitcoin and XRP, Bitcoin rides high. Bitcoin rules. Everything else follows. So what does that mean? Let's go over to Bitcoin. Look, there's your same thing. There, this is weekly, just so we're clear. See, your weekly. Now Bitcoin breaks first, then Ethereum follows, and then XRP followed. You literally had free money on XRP. I tried telling you all this over and over and over again. Bitcoin had broken up hard before, literally weeks before XRP. Weeks before. And then XRP broke up. Well, if Bitcoin went up first, how many of you followed? I did. I bought some XRP again. I tried telling you every day. The system tried telling you every day. Like 20 different times we had signal call outs on the new right here that's coming out for you guys. Over and over and over again. It's telling you to take buy stops over and over and over again. Look, if we actually go down to the 30-minute, it's psychotic how many times it told you to take. These are all the call outs to take, including some golden ones, on XRP before it went up. All of these. It kept telling you buy stop after buy stop at like 48, 54, 56 cents over and over and over again. Look at how many times it's screaming at you to take buys on the way up. And by the way, it's called for another one. Over and over and over again. And it was just following Bitcoin. Bitcoin was going up. XRP was late to the party, which gives you plenty of money to make. Ethereum, late to the party. You could have been calling Ethereum way. Bitcoin broke first. Then we were stuck on these 12-hour sells for fucking days on Ethereum. But the reality was, it's just calling out those buys again and again and again for you. And it's again going to make additional money. You're going to see another call right here very soon on Ethereum. 30-minute buy stop Ethereum. So yeah, we're making a crypto edition. It's going to come preloaded with its own scanner, H&H scanner. Inside the scanner, instead of having what you guys see, it's going to have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. And then you're going to see specialized, this specialized actually right here. 30-minute buy stop gap. It's going to come with all of this, and it's going to be tweaked to run XRP. It's going to be tweaked to run Ethereum. It's going to be tweaked to run Bitcoin. And you guys are going to make all kinds of money over the next 3 to 6 months on these coins. Yep. True story. Very cool. Melina says, gotcha. Great info. Dang, that is wild. Yep. Is it still the same, but you show market cap, you need excellent. Doesn't matter. It's the same. Morning, George. What's up, George? What's up, everybody on TikTok and YouTube? Good morning to everybody on both. God bless you all. Hope you're all having a blessed weekend. Hope you have a blessed Sunday. I'll be on much, much later this evening, but I'll come back on and I'm going to go over quite a few things then. I've called out for you Ethereum, told you where it's going. I called you out XRP, told you where it's going. And by the way, the best, in my opinion, most up potential that you have for the continuation to make some additional monies is XRP. I told you Bitcoin, how long it's going to take to get to 100,000, although 99,400 is pretty damn close. Told you what's going to happen with Bitcoin. I think I even gave you a free Cardano on there and some block thing, Square or some shit. I don't know, whatever the fuck that was. All right. Anybody else has any other symbols they want me to look at? Feel free to ask. The system doesn't play around. These aren't maybe calls. These aren't possible calls. This is not something that might happen. This is something that actually will happen, does happen, and for sure is going to do whatever I said is going to happen. Just give it time. You still have time on GBP, JPY to take any 30-minute buy stops. These are live trades going on gold on 11/20. Okay, and then these are the two runners. I usually never leave this many runners. I had 4 actually going. I closed 2 down. Locked in profit on these 2, can't lose money, and the third one can't lose money at a locked in profit. Yeah, there you go. Oopsie. Let me get rid of those. Oh, did it again. Try one more time. Yes, the system works on gold. Yes, the system works on indices. Yes, the system works on any symbol you can pull up on TradingView. Good morning, Travis. Morning, George. Morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube and X. Buy stop, Ethereum, 30-minute. Buy stop, Ethereum. If you're interested in Bitcoin or XRP or Ethereum, I would go back and rewatch what I just told you about because it's the easiest trades, especially XRP. Easy peasy. Can I look at AUD-USD? Yeah, Anthony. Sure, Tony. Let's see. AUD-USD BOP. Let me turn this off. All right. In Discord, a 9-4 buy stop option until a daily blue line is hit by price action, which it did do. So now we're looking at a 30-minute nothing. Let me go up to the dailies here. Okay. Oh. 3-month buy stop. AUD-USD. 3-month buy stop. AUD-USD. The challenge comes in. You have a weekly, 3-weekly sell stop. This daily ricochet back up to the blue line buy stop on 10/8 that I called. You still have to be very careful with that one. Am I still calling it? Well, obviously we traded the initial and then we traded the our logo up. Now it is no longer the logo up. It is still, how I look at this is going to be a daily, weekly buy stop. It's a weekly, 3-weekly sell stop. I don't care. It's still a 3-month buy stop. So from here, if you look at the 3-month, sorry, so you can see it easier, right here. So if you can look at this 3-month buy stop, will it go back up here? Yes. Will it go back to the daily? Yes. How long? 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. It could take a while. It could take a long time. So in the meantime, I would just simply play the smaller time frames. This is being a douchey kind of move right here. It's taking forever. I would go start hunting for anything to the blue lines which I see nothing. I got to pull my sniper up, don't I? Sniper rifle, baby. 1 minute. It's a 5 second. Hold on. Yeah. 5 second buy stop, AUD USD. 0.65011. 0.650. Oh, same fucking price. 0.02. Okay. Well, whatever. 5 second buy stop, AUD USD. 10 second. 10 second buy stop. Play any buy stop you can find on AUD USD to the 3-minute blue line. Then 15-minute sell. Then 30-minute sell. 15-minute sell. It's just too late. I mean, these are 4-hour sells. It's just not going anywhere at this point. We have no blue line to hit. So anywho, that's how I'd look at it. It's still kind of not really, in your minds, a daily buy. To me, it is. It's all red right now. So this is a daily, weekly buy on AUD USD. It is a 3-month buy on AUD USD. But if you start looking in here, we have a good bit to go down on these weekly, 3 weekly. So I would just read the smaller time frames and play those. Easy peasy buy stop on the 3-minute. Yeah, easy. And then if you don't like playing the 10, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, then just hop up here and look for your 15-minute sells right here. This is a nice one. 15-minute sell stop. Yeah, 15-minute 1 hour. Yep. 15-minute 4 hour. 1 hour. 15-minute 1 hour sell stop. Okay. Good morning, Neville. Tracy Ann Davis. Good morning, Tracy Ann. Can you look at Litecoin? Oh, I think Tracy's one that likes Litecoin. Sure. That didn't work out well. Marcus.com. I want Litecoin US dollar. There we go. I'm sure they're all the same. Didn't we just do this the other day, Trace? But we'll look at it again. That must have been like a 12-hour buy. Yeah. You should have took this 12-hour buy to the blue line back on November 6th. Yeah, it's not that long ago. It's a beautiful buy to the blue line. Oh, well. Then this is our logo buy right here. It literally just happened November the 20th. You should have took that buy on the 12-hour. Now, let's see. Litecoin daily. Yeah. Up. Weekly buy. 3 weekly. Yep. Monthly. That's clean. Love the 3-month. How high was it? Yeah, I remember back here when it was up in the 400s. 3-month buy stop, Litecoin. Monthly buy stop, 3-month buy stop, Litecoin. Now, the question really is what she's asking is, where is this mofo going? I know what Tracy's asking. I wasn't born yesterday. All right, Trace, here you go. Take any buy stop on Litecoin until it goes over 109. Take any buy stop you can find until it goes over 115. Now, after that, speaking of which, let's take a look. Let's go over here. Let's go over to here. And let's go over to here. And let's go over to here. Oh, we don't even have enough there. Let's go over to this one. And let's see this one. So what I'm looking at is, like I just taught you guys a second ago, all the coins move, even I'm going to go ahead and say probably not the shitty little coins, but every other crypto that's out there is even remotely not shitty, which they're all rough around the edges that I started out with this whole show with. is look, same time, same time, same time, same time, same time, same time. This is Litecoin on the right. This is XRP on the left. It doesn't matter if it's XLM, doesn't matter if it's XRP, doesn't matter if it's Ethereum or Bitcoin, all the same times. So why y'all get so excited about, oh, I want to get into, and I want to do this, and Bitcoin's going to do that, and XRP is going to do this. 3 week each. And all the same. I know you guys hate it. I know you guys like to think every coin that you find is the best and it's the greatest thing since sliced bread, and everybody else is wrong, and it's just this. They're all the fucking same. There's no difference in them. Well, one's up more. Bitcoin went up more than XRP. And da da da. Yeah, okay. You're right. Buy stop. Now listen to this. You guys are gonna be really happy about this. Buy stop Litecoin until it's over 178. Buy stop Litecoin until it's over 241, until it's over 285. Buy stop Litecoin. Definitely I like this one. Till it's over 200. Take any buy stop you can on Litecoin till it's over 200. Just saying. Over the next several months, that's what's going to do. Hope that helps you out, Tracy Ann. Good morning, Neville. You're welcome, Tony. Good morning, Filio. Anyone on TikTok or YouTube have any other questions? This is fun this morning. I wasn't really in the mood to come on, but I thought, what the fuck? It really annoyed me when I found out that the exact number, the quadrillion, 21 quadrillion Bitcoin, and people are trying to buy Bitcoin on scarcity. Just buy Bitcoin because you like fucking Bitcoin. It's as simple as that. There is no rational explanation of why Bitcoin's doing what it's doing. It's not because it's somehow rationed and there's only 21. Bullshit. There's 21 quadrillion Satoshis on Bitcoin. Quadrillion. You and I can't we can't even wrap our head around quadrillion. I hope you all learned that Bitcoin isn't scarce. I hope you all learned that all the coins move the same. I hope you all learned that Bitcoin moves first, Ethereum moves second, and XRP moves third. Hope you all learned that I'm going to have an actual crypto edition of Safe Trade System so you all can quit losing money with crypto. You can actually make money. Hope you all learned where XRP is going to, where Ethereum's going to, and Bitcoin will hit 100. Well, 99,400. Is it going to go over that? Yes. But did it hit 100,000 like I called? I'm calling H&H. Close enough. You're welcome, Tracy Ann. Now, I wonder if we can go down. So let me see something real quick here. Let me see a little something. Buy stop 1 second. Oh, hell yeah. Buy stop 1 second XRP until it hits 5 second buy stop XRP until it hits its 10-second blue line. Gorgeous. Love this trade. Bitcoin buy to its 10-second blue line. You're going to see Bitcoin go up and touch its blue line right here. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second to the blue line. What you're going to see on Bitcoin is this pink. Well, this purple is going to come down. The pink's going to cross the purple, is going to go up to the blue. You should have traded the first time, the second time, the third time. This will be the fourth time it does it. You can put your buy stop on Bitcoin right there. You'll see it go right back up to that area. That's Bitcoin. Ethereum so far past it, it's not even funny. And XRP is doing the exact same thing right now. You're going to see this pink cross this purple. It's going to go up to the blue, and you'll see the finish. Well, I think we already just finished it. Never mind. Yeah, as I was talking, it hit it again. See, it went up here and did exactly what I told you it was going to do there. And there it is again. Touchdown again. We have touchdown again. XRP buy to the blue line has happened again. As called out, see the boom, and there's your pink. See, as soon as that pink hits the bottom, baby, that's your buy. See how it went up and over? There's your XRP. It's the blue line twice. It hit it once and then twice. There you go. Live is called out live. Again, poor haters out there just have to be having a heart attack. Have to be having a heart attack. They can't stand it that I'm so good with the system now. Look, there it is. There's your pink down to the bottom. Touched. Purple, I told you, was going to come down. Up it went, touched the blue line on Bitcoin. There's your Bitcoin touch on 10 second. You have XRP touch on the 10 second. There you go. How gorgeous. Easy trading. Easy trade. Ethereum's already past it. I can't call it. Love it. That's Bitcoin going to its 10-second blue line. You're welcome, Tracy Ann Davis. All right. So any doubters out there or haters out there, you're literally seeing me trade live, calling them out, telling you what's going to happen before it happens, telling you where it's going before it gets there, telling you on Bitcoin, telling you on XRP. These are live trades. You're going to see the cross right here. It's going to come back up. This gap is going to be filled in right here. Watch. Already kind of is, actually. There it goes. Yep. Now, these, again, are 1 second, 5 second, 10-second trades. You're going to have a long, if you think this is going to go for hours, probably not. Not off these 5 second, 10-second trades. But there you go. XRP, Bitcoin. It's going to come and do it again. Buy, stop, Bitcoin. Well, I would play it off the yellow line, but it is what it is. Fun. Okay. System itself, I would buy it, especially buy it while we're still open to the public. No, I'll be open to the public for a while. Head over to savetrade.com. $575 for the year. Does not come with the sniper. The sniper is $250. Everything else you see on your screen, it comes with, just not that thing. The sniper is $250 a month. All the rest is right there. You don't need the sniper to trade the system. It's built to work without it. It just helps with entries to help my members do better. Any questions before I get rolling? TikTok, any questions? I'm heading over to YouTube. TikTok, any questions? I'm heading over to YouTube once. TikTok, any questions? I'm heading over to YouTube twice. TikTok, any questions? I'm heading over to YouTube now. All right. God bless you all. Have a great Sunday. Make great memories. Remember, life is short. Make as many memories as you can because hopefully we can take them with us. All right. God bless you all on TikTok. YouTube. Any questions before I go on YouTube? Any questions before I go on YouTube? Thank you for being here. God bless you all. What's up, Banner Video? Good morning, Banner Video. If you have any questions, ask them. Buy, stop. It's going to happen again. Ricochet, buy, stop, Bitcoin back to his 10-second blue line. We made some nice call outs today. So if you want to watch that Banner Video, you can. I told you what Bitcoin's going to do, what Ethereum's going to do, especially what XRP is going to do. You have a lot of time. You're going to see the pink cross the blue, the green fill in the gap happen. You're going to see price action go back to that 10-second blue line on Bitcoin. Thank you, Melina. Thank you, Jan. Thank you, Dominic. God bless each and every one of you. There it is. There it is. I do believe that's another touchdown on. Yep, there you go. As I just called out live, you saw the fill in the gap, you saw the pink cross the blue, and you saw it go up to its blue line, ricochet back to the blue line, 10-second Bitcoin. As called out live. Thank you for everything, Coach. I will watch it. Okay, great banner video. God bless y'all. Everybody have a good Sunday. I probably will be on way later this evening. Almost for surely I'll be back on way later this evening. All right. God bless y'all. Talk to y'all later. See ya. Look at that. By the way, I'm leaving you with no video, but look at that beautiful call. I'm going to put it back on. I rarely ever do this. Look. Oh, and I set you up with some calls. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at that. Beautiful. See the pink cross the blue, fill in the gap, ricochet back to its 10-second blue line, Bitcoin. Yeah. If there's any doubters out there, just stop. If there's any haters out there, just stop. You're seeing me trade 5-second, 10-second, 15-second live trades right before your very eyes. Look at it. What can you say? There's nothing you can hate. Just join. Quit it now. Become a member. Quit trying to hate. And just say, okay, I can't doubt this anymore. This is crazy. He's calling these trades out live before my very eyes. Yeah, I am. All right, gotta go. All right.